All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I don't really have much of a point to this video, but you will see here what I mean, what this video is about here in a second. Also, if you have an idea for tomorrow's video, let me know in the comments below because I don't have an idea for tomorrow, but I do know what I'm doing for Friday's video. So with that being said, today's video is about, I just opened a merch store. I know some of you guys have asked in the past if I have any merch, and I have never had any merch the last 4 years. So now I finally made a store right before I hit 10,000. So if you guys want to check that out, the link is in the description in the link tree, and also a direct link below the link tree. So what I have in the store is t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, and stickers, and we do have men's and women's t-shirts and hoodies and all that stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, it's pretty confusing because I had to make like 8 different items, one for each type of shirt that I have. So I will throw you up on the screen right here the different types of shirts that I have. So one of them is the black logo with no circle around it. Another one is the big logo with no circle, and then the small logo with the circle, the big logo with the circle, and then I have the black version and the white version. So those are the 8 different options. So the white with no logo, small, the big logo with no circle, and then the white circle with a small logo on the front and big on the back, and then a white circle big on the front, big on the back. So those are the 8 different options. It's kind of confusing. So there is like per listing, there's like 20 different items. So it's like the same shirts over and over, or the same things over and over, but depending on which logo that you want, you'll just have to scroll through that and find that. So hopefully that's not confusing. There is like tons of different options. There's like 18 different things in men's, but mainly that's because I chose all these options because I want to give you guys the best option to pick out the kind of cloth that you want for your shirts. For me particularly, I like the 50% cotton, the 50% polyester. There's tons of different options. I'm not sure what that equals to on the website. There's like a tri-blend, there's a comfort tee, there's all these different options. So read through the descriptions to see what matches your comfort level. I'm also going to be doing, or I should probably mention, there is 2 sticker options is available as well. The white sticker with the black logo circle, and then the white logo sticker circle with the black background. And then I am going to be doing some homemade t-shirts as well. So if you guys are interested in that, drop me like a comment or DM on Instagram, or send me like a message somewhere. So I'm going to be doing some custom made homemade high-vis shirts, which is basically what I wanted to do in the first place, but Teespring, the website that I've been using, only has like an orange, and I'm not sure if it's really a safety orange. So I'm going to be doing some high-vis safety green/yellow colors. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to message me if you want one and what size you want, because I'm going to be making those in like the next week or so. So I'm pretty much just going to make like maybe like 5 of each, 5 yellow and 5 orange for myself, probably in the large size. So if you guys have any color requests and also your size, make sure to leave that below as well, so I can go out and buy your size for your shirt. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to go above and beyond, check out the website and purchase something. If not, no big deal. It's just there if you want something. And lastly, the Teespring is having a sale tomorrow, which I really wanted to finish my store just in time for that. The store is having a 10% off code. So I will put that on the screen right here, and also in the description down below. I forget what the code is off the top of my head, but it's 10% off. So it saves you guys 10% off of your order. Just for tomorrow, it's between like 1 a.m. and like 11:59 p.m. on December 16th. I believe that was the correct date. If not, I will put that on the screen. So check that out tomorrow if you want to save an extra 10% off and support the channel and buy something from the website. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And I'm going to do a massive giveaway here in the next couple days as soon as we hit 10,000. So thank you guys so much for the support. Never thought I'd make it this far, and I'm just super thankful that my dreams are becoming a reality each and every day. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. And don't forget to drop your comment down below if you want a shirt or if you have a video idea for tomorrow. That's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. All right, guys, I did also want to mention there are tons of different colors per listing. Right now I just have the white and black displayed on the website just to show off the logos. But if you find something that you like, make sure to click on the colors. There's between 3 and 15 different colors per item option. And also, if the store does super well, I'm not expecting it to. I'm expecting maybe a couple people to buy something. I don't have high hopes for the store. I don't feel like I'm going to be able to retire anytime soon off of this store. But if you guys want to buy something, I'd appreciate it. And if the store does super well, I will increase the giveaways from the 1,000 subscribers. So every time I reach 1,000 subscribers, I like to do a giveaway and give back to you guys. So if the store does super well, I will increase those giveaways, and just it'll help the channel grow and give you guys more chances to win awesome stuff. So thank you guys so much, and that'll do it. Peace.